Let's make poached pears with spiced coconut sauce. This is part of a series of special Christmas recipes that can be made without an oven. You will find the menu as well as the recipe featured in this video down in the description box. In a medium saucepan, combine the water, orange juice, cinnamon stick, cloves, ginger and orange peel. Bring to a gentle simmer. Carefully place the peeled pears upright in the liquid. Cover and simmer on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes, turning occasionally until the pears are tender but still hold their shape. Remove the pears gently, strain the poaching liquid and reduce it over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. In a small saucepan, combine the coconut milk, vanilla, cinnamon and a few drops of orange juice. Heat gently for 3 to 4 minutes. Spoon a little coconut sauce onto each plate, place a pear on top and drizzle with some of the reduced syrup. Garnish with crushed nuts and orange zest. Enjoy!